Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching my channel The Witty Turtle, and this video is for those students who are going to appear their CMA intermediate exams for both the groups in December 2022. So this video is for the students who are going to appear in December 2022. Okay, so if you are a student watching this video who is going to appear in June 2021, then just wait for 1 or 2 days more. I will also come up with a new study plan for you guys also. So before starting the video, I would like you to inform about this comprehensive batch of Unacademy specifically for CMA Foundation students who are going to appear in June 2022 examination. This batch has already started from 8th of December 2021, and it is a golden opportunity for you guys to ace your examination in June 2022. Prepare with the top-notch educators in India. It's a subscription that is more than just classes. They will provide you with live interactive classes, recorded lectures with unlimited watch time, access to notes from all the educators at one place. Every fourth session is a doubt clearing session and updated study material. Along with that, they will also provide you with practice mock test papers. So don't wait for anything else and get your subscriptions done today. Simply, you just need to download the Unacademy Learning app, then select CMA Foundation as your goal, click on Get Subscriptions, and you can use my code ANVESHA10 to avail a 10% off. They will also give you a perfect study plan to clear your June 2022 examination. In the subscription, you can avail rupees 875 per month for 24 months, that is 2 years, then 1165 rupees per month for 12 months, and likewise 1750 rupees per month for 6 months. And don't forget to use my code ANVESHA10 while subscribing, and you will get a 10% off on your subscription. The link is given in the description box below. So coming back to the video, in this video, we are going to discuss the study plan from the month of January to November. This is for which year? 2022. Okay. So here I have to tell you a few important points which you need to take care of. First of all, try to end all your classes, whatever classes you are taking, try to end those classes and your first reading. What is first reading? Whenever you are reading a new subject, so an initial reading is necessary where you will understand all the concepts, all the provisions of laws. So first reading is a must. ये जो reading है ये बहुत ही detailed reading होता है, and you have to touch all the points. राइट यहाँ पर आप इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम से आप सिलेक्टिव स्टडी नहीं कर सकते हो. सो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट ऑल योर क्लासेस एंड योर फर्स्ट रीडिंग बाय April mid or May end. So January, February, March, April. You are getting 4 months, right? 4 months to complete your classes and the first reading of 8 papers, right? 8 papers. The second point is that don't take coaching classes for all the subjects, okay? You don't need to take classes for all the subjects. For example, CMA Inter Paper 8 Cost Accounting, right? Cost Accounting के जितने भी chapters हैं, I have uploaded all the classes of those chapters. Only one chapter is remaining and I will upload that class also very soon by end of Jan, okay? So don't take coaching classes for all the subjects. And along with that, OMSM also I am going to upload very soon, like from tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll start uploading classes of OMSM also, that is your paper number 9. Along with that, for law, if you are a student who can who has a commerce background or who has done BCom or like that, who has a little bit of knowledge on law, in my opinion you should not take classes for law and ethics paper, okay? And DT, IDT, you have to take classes. Financial accounting, company accounts, for that also you need to take classes. So only there are 3 papers: cost accounting, OMSM, and your law, for which it is okay not to take classes, okay? Study the entire syllabus. See, this is a very important point. If you ask any of your seniors who have cleared their intermediate or who have appeared in the exams, they will tell you that no, just go for some selective chapters. जो फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग है उसमें आप पार्टनरशिप छोड़ दो, कोई नहीं, उससे क्वेश्चन कम आते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. यू हैव टू स्टडी द इंटायर सिलेबस. इंटायर सिलेबस पढ़ना है, क्योंकि जो अभी दिसंबर 2021 का एग्जाम हुआ उसमें कहीं से भी कुछ भी क्वेश्चन उठा के वो लोग डाल दिए थे. सो यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन टू डू सिलेक्टिव स्टडी. ओके, सिलेक्टिव स्टडी आपको नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू रीड द इंटायर सिलेबस, राइट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, law, SM and audit. These are three theoretical papers which you have to study every day, right? Which you have to study every day, because these are the concepts that if you don't revise them every day, then you will forget the concepts. So you have to study these three subjects every day. Like you have three subjects, so one subject per day for 3 days. वीक में आप ऐसे डिवाइड करो 7 डेज में कि आप हर दिन 1 या 2 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हो और उसको 3 दिन तक पढ़ रहे हो, राइट. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, दैट इज यू हैव टू डू क्यूमुलेटिव रिविजन ऑन एवरी संडे. Okay, let me tell you what is this. See, when you are taking classes now, you are getting so many concepts in your head, so it becomes very messy. For that, on every Sunday, whatever you have studied in the entire week, you have to do a cumulative revision. कुछ नहीं करना है, बस बुक लेकर पेजेस पलटने हैं और आपको देखना है हाँ मैंने ये पढ़ा है. थोड़ा सा ऊपर से ओवरलुक करते जाना जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स आप पढ़ रहे हो. सो क्यूमुलेटिव रिविजन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड क्योंकि संडे में जनरली क्लासेस नहीं होते हैं, सो इट इज एडवाइजेबल दैट संडे का पूरा दिन थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन करो एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट डू अ प्रॉपर revision so that you will not be, you will be in touch with the subject. Next is very important, that is full 3 times revision is needed. आप कोई भी subject पढ़ रहे हो, in that you have to do 3 times revision. This is minimum 3 times revision you have to do. So important points क्या क्या है ये हम लोगों ने देख लिया. Now coming to the study plan, how you will plan your studies. So we are assuming that by अप्रैल मिड और मई एंड आप लोग अपना सारा क्लासेस खत्म करोगे एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट अ फर्स्ट रीडिंग, अ प्रिलिमिनरी रीडिंग जिसमें कि आप कॉन्सेप्ट्स को पकड़ोगे, राइट. व्हेन यू विल कैच द कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड ट्राई टू रिमेंबर थिंग्स. दैट रीडिंग एंड क्लासेस आर कंप्लीटेड बाय नाउ. कमिंग टू द मंथ ऑफ जून, राइट, जून. सो जून में आप क्या करोगे, जून जुलाई ये 2 महीने में आपको 4 पेपर्स लेने हैं, ठीक है. एनी 4 पेपर्स ऑफ योर चॉइस, वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक स्टडिंग. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि चारों पेपर्स ही प्रैक्टिकल होंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. 2 पेपर्स प्रैक्टिकल्स, 2 पेपर्स थियोरीज, राइट. 2 पेपर्स इन प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट्स एंड 2 पेपर्स फ्रॉम थियोरिटिकल सब्जेक्ट्स. टेक 4 पेपर्स एंड डोंट ट्राई टू स्टडी एवरीथिंग इन अ डे. जस्ट टेक 2 पेपर्स पर डे. वीकली डिवाइड आप कर लो, हर वीक में आपको कौन सा पढ़ना है, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट just take 2 papers per day. And in this particular revision, this is going to be your first revision. When I'm saying this is your first revision, that means this is not your revision. This is the point where you are grasping the knowledge, right? So this is your first revision. So in this first revision, for the first 2 months, take 4 papers. For the next 2 months, that is August and September, take the next 4 papers. And in this revision, you have to do a detailed revision. You don't have to leave anything. You have to study everything. So in 2 months, if you are taking 4 papers, revising 4 papers, then it is like 1 paper 15 days. यही हिसाब बन रहा है. 1 पेपर का आपको 15 दिन लेना है. So इसमें ये आपका फर्स्ट रिविजन खत्म हो गया. Next, in the month of October, you are going to do a second revision. So in second revision, what you need to do, it is a less intense revision. उसको इतना intensely नहीं करना है, इतना in depth नहीं करना है जितना आपने यहाँ पर किया है, right? So in this second revision, you have to study all the papers, all the 8 papers, and along with that, you have to learn the hard and the medium concepts. Right, hard and the medium concepts. Easy concepts तो आपका बन गया है. So now you have to take the hard and medium concepts. Along with that, do the questions from ICMAI study mat and do solve the workbook also. In the institute website, you will get the workbooks for all the 8 papers. Download them and try to solve them. Workbook में सब कुछ chapter wise ही mentioned होता है. So it is very convenient and easy for you to solve everything. एक chapter आपने book से complete किया, then go for workbook. Like that, okay? Now, in the month of November, what you need to do? You have to go for your third revision for all the 8 papers. Now you will say that how can I do all the third revision and when should I do the past year question papers? So this is the month where you have to do all these things. नवंबर में आपको क्या करना है? 8 papers का. For the 8 papers, you have to go through the hard concepts. In whatever concept you are weak, go for those concepts. Solve the RTP, MTP and scanner. राइट, स्कैनर क्या होता है? स्कैनर में आपका पास्ट ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर्स रहता है, प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स रहते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन पेपर्स आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे. तो जस्ट सॉल्व दीज थिंग्स. एंड उसमें क्या है ना, आप लोग वट एवर यू हैव स्टडीड इन द लास्ट मंथ्स, लास्ट 9 or 10 months, everything will be brushed up and you will feel confident about appearing in the examination. And यहाँ पर एक और चीज मैं बोलूंगी, इफ यू आर गेटिंग टाइम, राइट, यहाँ पर अगर सिलेबस कंप्लीट करने के बाद इफ यू आर गेटिंग सम ऑफ योर टाइम, देन सिंपली गो फॉर फ्यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम सीए एग्जाम्स. सीए एग्जाम्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स लेकर उसमें से कुछ अगर सिमिलर चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चंस आपको मिल रहे हैं जिसका आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा, go for those questions also, right? And along with that, few more points, that daily practice MCQs. MCQs are very important in your CMA exams. Whatever it is, you're online or offline, you have to practice MCQs daily. Along with that, practice case studies. Now the question arises that where can I get case studies from? For case studies, you can go for the practice papers from different faculties, different coaching centers. टेलीग्राम में आपको बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स मिलेंगे, यहाँ पर आपको केस स्टडीज एंड MCQs मिलते ही रहेंगे. सो ज्वाइन ऑल दोज ग्रुप्स एंड यू विल गेट केस स्टडीज एंड MCQs. नाउ, एंड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट्स मोर. ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ मैंने एक टाइप का क्वेश्चन बनाना सीख लिया सो आई विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व एवरी क्वेश्चन. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द कॉन्सेप्ट्स वेरी वेल. आपका जो कॉन्सेप्ट पर पकड़ है ना, दैट नीड्स टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट? योर ग्रास्प ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी very strong. Another question that has been frequently asked to me is that whose classes should we take for CMA Intermediate? So let me tell you a very important thing is that Unacademy is also providing classes for CMA Inter Group 1 and Group 2 as well. So do check out the description box where I have put the link of CMA Inter Group 1 and Group 2 classes from Unacademy. There you will get a 10% discount if you use my coupon code, that is Anvesha10. So you will get a 10% off, and along with that you can you have access to all the live classes, all the pre-recorded classes, and along with that some practice test papers, and you will also get MCQs and case studies on Unacademy as well, right? और अगर आप लोग चाहते हो कि मैं आपको डिटेल्ड एक वीडियो बनाऊं कहाँ से आपको क्लासेस करने हैं, कौन से सब्जेक्ट का, तो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. एंड इफ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल देन please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel The Witty Turtle, hit the bell icon also, and share this video with your CMA Intermediate friends. The link of my Telegram group and the link of my Instagram handle and Twitter handle are given in the description box below. Do go and check them out.